Hello beautiful people, welcome back to my channel. Today I'll be showing you how to do a full cut crease, and I'll be showing you how to fix false lashes. So if you're interested, keep watching and don't forget to subscribe to this channel and give this video a big thumbs up, and also leave a comment in the comment section so I know what you think about this video. So keep watching. I'll be applying this soft brown shade on my crease. So I'll be using my eyeshadow primer to cut my crease. This flat brush. Setting my crease with my setting powder because I have this folded eyes, and if I don't set my crease, my eyeshadow would break later. Now I'm using my wipes to clean my under eye. So that when I apply my eyeliner, it will come out well. So this is the shade I'll be using. This one, this very one here. Be packing it into my face. I wipe to clean my under eye once more. So before I apply my lashes, I'll be lining my eye. Up next, I'll be applying mascara to my lashes. I glue to my lashes. So that's it. Thanks for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it, although I'm not done my makeup yet. But I'm done with my eyeshadow and lashes. So that's it for this video. Hope you enjoyed it. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel and give this video a big thumbs up and leave a comment in the comment section so I know what you think about this video.